I typed into Google pixlr and then went to pixlr.com. I scrolled down to get to the bottom of the screen, and as you can see there is editor and express, and I chose editor. Create new image. I changed my image size to 900 times 1000 because I felt that this was better to work with. I used the gradient tool and clicked on a silver colour because I wanted to use this as my background. Layer, open image as layer, I searched for my image, and once I found it I inserted it. I then used the move tool to change it to exactly where I wanted it to go. The magic wand tool allows you to clear large areas of your background so it's all the same colour and you won't have any dates or grey areas. You can change the tolerance so that it recognises the difference between light and dark better, meaning that you won't be cutting into the hair, for example. The marquee tool allows you to clear block areas, which is helpful for doing quite big areas accurately. And you can also use an oval type shape. I found this useful for getting into circular areas like the dip in the shoulder. The lasso tool can be used freehand, as I'm about to demonstrate. Or you can use more of a set shape where you click it and then you join the dots together, which I found to be more useful as it was more accurate than doing it freehand, and you could get into close areas like along the edge of the hair. The blur tool means that you can get rid of some of the bits that weren't quite right from when you cut it and make them look smoother so that they can't be noticed anymore. You can change the strength of the tool and the brush size, which is really useful for getting into larger areas or smaller areas. You can add text to your image, which is useful for the cover lines and the masthead, as I'm about to show you. You can change the font. As you can see, there's a wide variety of font choices. And you can change the font size. And I decided to change the colour to red because it goes with the red top and my house style of my magazine. and you can move the text to where you want it, which of course is really helpful with the layout of your magazine. I'm about to add some cover lines to show you the different sizes of font you can use and the different fonts. I'm about to change the font type to a thinner font to create a contrast from all the other font types on the page. And now I'm going to crop my image so that I don't have a big white space above her head. And now I'm going to open a new image as layer to insert my barcode. I found the layers a really useful tool because it meant that you could clear areas of your background beneath your image, which makes it look more professional. And then once you've done that, you can add images on top, such as your barcodes. And now I'm going to add some more text because in this video I've mainly shown you like bold text and they're all in capital letters, so I wanted to show you a different style of text that you may choose to use. And finally, I'm going to save my image so that I can access it later and put it onto Blogger. Obviously in this video I haven't included everything that I've done in a magazine and it's not a finished piece. I just wanted to give you an idea of the tools that I use to create my magazine